I started farming. Like, I made a farming base. See how it worked? And tell me if you like it. Just leave a comment. I mean, I would gem some stuff, but I don't have many gems. So, we'll just have to go with, like, 99. Yeah, let's gem some. Right. Full. Oh, right, yeah. Okay, let's see how much it costs. So how much we can get for one. 10? Alright. Good enough. So we're gonna look for a base. Find a match. Yeah, this is farming episode 2. If you didn't know yet. Dang, that's a nice pistol in the middle. Gotta get this gold. Gold, gold, gold. Dang, look at all this gold. Wish I had a better troop combo. Like, I'd be able to take this out with my giant strategy, but... well, definitely. So much loot, too. Dang. Alright, we gotta skip. I can't get that with archers. Let's see. Alright, am I able to see the pumps? Dang. I was hoping that loot would be in the pumps. What are you doing, dog? Alright, sorry, that's my dog. Dang, this is going to be a longer video than I thought. Gotta find a base. What are you doing? Dang. Wow. No, I'm not going for elixir though. That'd be a nice elixir one though. Dang. There's some under-leveled town hall level 8s and 9s. 7s. Most of the 6s up here are pretty high leveled. Looks like these would be in his pumps. Gonna go for this? Alright. Oh, dang, I didn't know level 3 mortars could take out those. Take it out. So let's see too. Hit it. Dang. Alright. Let's see. So now let's see this. easily accessible. Yeah, dodge those, dodge. Dang. Alright. That was a lot of 124? That was as much as I thought. That wasn't worth 122 trophies. Well, still, it's good, I guess. Now, look, my base should be at least like a freaking gold. It really should. So I might be pushing up. Alright guys, thanks for watching.